heart is one of the least regenerative organs in the human. The heart is one of the least regenerative organs in the human body. So instead of growing back muscle after it's injured, it grows scar tissue. And so this leaves people with a deficiency in the strength of the organ. And so the heart can't pump enough blood to meet the body's needs. And this is called heart failure. And this is the #1 killer in the whole world, #1 killer in the United States. We right now have about 6 million patients in the United States with heart failure, and there's 1 million new ones diagnosed every year. And so we need to do something to find a way to treat this as opposed to just managing it, because it's breaking the bank right now.
What you got there?
So the take-home message from our study is that we can grow enough human heart muscle in a dish now, starting with stem cells, that we can actually transplant it into an injured heart that is close to the size of a human being, and we can restore the ability of that heart to pump blood. What this therapy will do is actually strengthen the muscle itself. It will replace the damaged muscle that's been lost to disease. And the muscle will take as a graft, it survives, it divides, it forms new muscle in the damaged wall of the heart, so it remuscularizes it. And it has a remarkable effect of being able to restore the mechanical function of the heart so that it pumps vigorously once again. And so for people with heart disease or heart ailments, particularly somebody who's had a recent heart attack, what we imagine is that this is going to be able to save them from going on to developing heart failure. We're hoping that this will be a one-and-done therapy. So it's a somewhat invasive procedure. It's not surgery, but it's like getting a coronary angiogram or something like that. It's a tremendously exciting thing to see this come from the first idea. It's been 20 years since the first human pluripotent stem cells were discovered. And immediately when that happened, the light bulb went on over my head, and I thought, we can use this to rebuild people's hearts. What I never imagined was that it would take me 20 years to be this far along. I thought maybe 5 years, something like that. So it's been a long road, but a tremendously interesting one.